Welcome to the Rio Grande City Historic Walking Tour.
Le Borde House. François Le Borde was born on April 16, 1867, in Ardy, France. He traveled to the United States and settled in Rio Grande City and married Eva Marx in 1896. Eva was born on December 23, 1879, in Rio Grande City to Ernest Marx, a French immigrant, and Josefina Peña of Roma, Texas. Eva and François had 5 children: Blanche, Frank, Leonard, Lionel, and Ernestine. Originally built as a single-family home in 1899, Mr. Le Borde added two-story wings to the front of his home and opened a hotel around 1915. The building exhibits the French colonial influences on the building's elaborate brickwork and jigsaw woodwork, as well as the wrought iron fences and gates. The main building is a 2-story H-plan structure attached to a 2-story wing across the rear of the property by an exterior staircase and second-floor walkway. A large courtyard with foliage and a fountain separate the 2 sections of the first floor. Intricately corbelled brickwork is seen in the parapets and throughout the building. At its completion, Mr. Le Borde died, but his family continued running the hotel until it was sold to George R. Boyle and his brother-in-law, General James S. Rodwell, in 1939. Renamed Ringo Hotel, it was managed for many years by Mr. Williams W. and Mrs. Sally Drummond of Mission, parents of Mrs. Boyle and Mrs. Rodwell. Then, Mr. and Mrs. George Boyle managed the hotel until 1978, when it was sold to Mr. Larry Shireen of San Antonio, who completely renovated the property. It is currently owned and operated by the Stark County Industrial Foundation and is designated as a National Register of Historic Places.